So, as you guys know, that when COT Academy uploads on a Wednesday, we are giving you a midweek update into how the markets have been looking and what we might look to experience moving forward up from Wednesday up until Friday. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and 100 recommend. And for the most part of it, be mindful and prepared that COT Academy will be soon opening up our one-on-one mentorship courses and sessions. So I hope you capitalize and I hope you book so we can have a wonderful trading year. But without further ado, let me just get straight into it and not waste more time and give you what you guys came here for, so you can remain profitable, educated, and most of all professional. Right? So first pay, understanding that we had an anticipation at nasdaq that we don't have a trade idea based on our price action is looking, because we always had two anticipations based on nasdaq, because price is a range, a higher time frame range, and price has been holding that higher time frame range. We made it sure and clear that the only time we're going to be putting our money to work on nasdaq is if price gives us a break above off of our resistance in anticipation of possible new all-time highs. Same thing, break below of our lows, which is our support, in anticipation of new possible lows. But if it happens that price fails breaking below our support, then we might look to be bullish above support. Same thing on your highs, your resistance. With price failing to break above, then we might look for the reversal to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on nasdaq, because it's very simple that you guys be mindful of a few things. That nasdaq does only a few things. We're keeping our focus on price as an a range, and when price is holding a range, you have to be mindful that we're either looking for a break above or a break below, and that's what we're going to be looking for and looking to put our money to work. But without further ado, if I have to break down something for you guys, my intraday traders, then this will be very simple, because you can clearly see that price is this intraday high, right? So from this intraday high, you can technically see that price has a possible double top with a fail to break off those highs, right? So if it happens that price breaks above, then we might look forward for those possible highs. But if they fail to break, then I guess we might look for those intraday moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. But that's not what I'm here to share to you guys. What I'm here to share to you guys, it's price is still holding in the middle of our range. No break above high, no break below on lows. So if it's like that, we move to our second pay, which is gold, right? And on gold, we just won't be doing much, because we did leave an anticipation to you guys on gold based on how price is looking, right? So as you guys can clearly see that those reactions looking forward into Monday, right? We left an anticipation that if price will give us a break above, then we can look for those moves to the upside, or if fail to break, to look for those moves to the downside. So price market open was far from our intraday zone, so and price is pushing to the downside. So as we focus on some type of intraday behavior, you can clearly see that price might be looking into creating that intraday bear move to the downside, but this is not confirmed as of yet. But all I'm just showing you guys, it's price has been giving us some lows and highs and lows, and now price is holding a high. If it happens that price pushes to the downside and breaks below our low, then we can look for those continuations to the downside. But if price continues pushing, then I guess we're gonna wait based on our anticipation of a break above this intraday zone, so we can look for those moves to the upside. But without further ado, nasdaq, gold is more like nasdaq. Price is just choppy and price is just not tradable. But with that being said, we move to our last pair, which is USDCAD. And USDCAD, I also say that we also don't have a trade idea, but we're gonna simply wait for confirmation, and our confirmation hasn't played out as we anticipated. So without our anticipation having played out, there's nothing else that we're gonna be focusing on but to just keep it the way we keep it, to say we don't have a trade idea, because you guys can clearly see for yourselves, right? Price gave us a low, right, and then price gave us another low, which is a double bottom. But looking at the momentum that pushes to the upside, it's not as strong as we have anticipated. So not being strong as we anticipated, there's nothing else that we're going to be focusing on looking forward into doing but to just keep it the way we keep it. Price don't have a trade idea, and that's all. But without further ado, I appreciate everything, and I'm grateful for everything, for you guys showing up. All I'm just gonna say now is, if you have reached up and until the end of the video, I ask that you leave a P sign, a P emoji on your comment section, so I can be mindful that you did reach the end of the video. And if you're looking for a profitable, and if you are looking for a good and tradable broker, you can click that link below. And always be mindful that COT Academy one-on-one sessions and courses are gonna be open soon for bookings and for inquiry. Hope you guys capitalize, and I hope you guys remain profitable, professional, and far most importantly, disciplined. This is boy Alam, King COT, and I'm gonna get you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.